My dear students, let us continue. So let us see how to convert a binary number into the decimal number. So it is very simple. I told earlier also. So we have to write this number in this way. We can also write, and we can also write in this way, horizontal. Then what we have to do? Each digit will be multiplied by the increasing power of 2. 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, and so on. And finally, whatever result will come, that we have to add. And finally, what we will get? The result. And that will be in the decimal number. Okay, so I hope this will be clear. Because earlier also I discussed that we have to multiply by the increasing power of 2. See, this result came as I told. It is right side to left side. We have to multiply each digit of the binary number by the increasing power of 2. Now let us see some binary arithmetic operations. So let us see binary addition. So these are some rules. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, that is 1, but 1 plus 1 equals to 0, that you do not know. So remember, this is very very important. The fourth case, 1 plus 1, that is 0, and carry is 1. Remember that. Let's understand by the help of example. So let us see, we have to add these two digits and these two binary numbers. So I'm writing it separately, 1 0 1 0 1, and it is 1 0 1 0. So remember, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, and 1 as it is. So this is the result. Okay, so let us see some another one. 1 1 1, and we have to add 1 0 1. 1 plus 1 0, carry is 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 0, again carry 1, and here what we got? 0. So 0 plus 0 0. By this addition we got 1 here. So 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 1, and from this carry is 1. This is the result. Okay, and again understand, 1 1 1 we have to add with 1 0 1. So 1 plus 1 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 0, that is carry is 1, we have written here. And 0 plus 0 0. 1 plus 1 0, carry is 1, we can write here. 0 plus 1 1, and 1 as it is. So this is the result. So many more questions given in the exercise, you can do that for your practice. Okay, so this conversion is given, this one, to convert it back to decimal. Okay, just for your understanding. But the process what I told, that is only the process. Okay, same, this binary number is converting into the decimal. Okay, so we do not require to do this. This is for, with this we can do for our understanding. Okay, we do not require to do this. So this is only we have to do that. This you can do for your rough work, for checking your answer. Okay, so this is just the verification of the result. Suppose we are adding these two numbers, so this is the result, and this is the verification of the result. So finally this should be equivalent to this number. Okay, we can check that the process will remain same, which I told. Okay, you can do this for your understanding. Okay, then binary subtraction. Some rules in binary subtraction: 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 equals to 1, that you do not know. So what to do? What you need to understand: 0 minus 1, that is 1, And how? By borrowing 1 from left of the bigger number, as is done in the decimal subtraction, as you do in mathematics. So let us understand here more clearly. So this is 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, it is 1 0 1 1. Okay, so just wait. So let us see this 1 1 0 1 1 0. We have to subtract 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so 0 minus 1, I told 1 and carry, and we have to take borrow. So whenever we take borrow, so it will become 0. 0 minus 1, again 1. So remember how 1, whenever we take borrow, when we take borrow, it will become 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Again 0 minus 1, 1 by taking borrow, 0 as it is and 1 as it is. So we got result 1 0 1 0 1 1. So this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. So you have to follow this concept. Okay, so result finally we will get 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so let us see. Okay, this you can try to do that. Okay, these two examples. And then binary multiplication. So binary multiplication simple, as we do in that same and decimal form in mathematics, but here we have to do in the form of 1 0. Okay, in 2 digits, 0 and 1. So this is given 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 1. So let us understand. So this is the multiplication result. There are only 2 digits. 1 multiply 0, that is 0. 0 multiply 1, that is 0. 0 multiply 0, that is 0. And 1 multiply 1, that is only 1. Okay, 1 multiply 1, then only 1. Otherwise in rest of the cases, 1 multiply 0, 0 multiply 1, or 0 multiply 0, that will remain 0. Okay, so this will be the result. And how to do addition? As I told, binary addition, 1 plus 1, that is 0, and carry is 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 0 plus 0, 0. Okay, so I hope this will be clear. Rest I will discuss in next part. So thank you, thanks for watching.